Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to take screenshot on iPhone with Assistive Touch. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Once you selected accessibility, scroll down, click on touch. Under touch, select Assistive Touch and then turn on Assistive Touch. Now to take screenshot with Assistive Touch on your iPhone, click on single tap or double tap or long press. So here, let's go ahead and click on single tap under custom actions. Now scroll down the page, locate and click on screenshot. Now whenever you want to take a screenshot on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead, locate the accessibility button and then click on it once. You see that? And if it is long press that it's selected, you want to go ahead and long press it. If it is double tap, you want to repeat the same thing again, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to take screenshot on iPhone with Assistive Touch. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.